After Tuesday evening's deluge, finally we're going to start to dry out on your Wednesday. From the WRUF Weather Center, I'm Jeff Hoffman. Also want to say hello to those of you who may be watching the online stream at WRUFweather.com. It is time for your weather on the 6's. Nowhere else in North Central Florida can you get local weather every 10 minutes around the clock. Here's the story as we head into Wednesday. We're going to start to dry out a bit. Yeah, there'll be some typical summer pop-ups, but also typical summer heat. That could continue into the weekend, but it all depends on what happens in the tropics. I'm going to show you that coming up. We have a wave of low pressure in the Bahamas that has a low chance of developing, and it would likely approach the state, regardless if it develops or not. And then behind that, our next front is on deck early next week. Could also bring back higher chances for rain. But notice your Wednesday future track. The flow now is a little more dominant out of the east, and that is typically a drier wind for us. Notice the Atlantic sea breeze there about 3 or 4 o'clock. Some spotty cells popping up. Only a low chance that those will hit your backyard as we move into the late afternoon, early evening hours. So obviously a much different setup for your Wednesday than we had Tuesday. Because of the less cloud cover, more sun, and lower chances for rain, it will certainly be a hot one. Temperatures a little bit above average, reaching the low 90s, 91 at 3 o'clock there on your hour-by-hour forecast. Stay tuned for the tropical weather update at 20 or 50 past. You can also find it on our YouTube channel. We are watching this disturbance here. Has a low chance. Those chances may be going up. There's certainly something else to watch out on the Atlantic as well, but plenty of time to keep an eye on Invest 91. We're a little more concerned about this spin that we saw in the satellite picture Tuesday night into Wednesday. It's disorganized, but it does have a weak area of low pressure associated with it, and it would be drifting in our direction. Here's the dry air Wednesday. That gives way to increasing moisture from the Atlantic Thursday and Friday. It's all about where the center of this potential tropical development moves. Near the center and to the south is where the heaviest rain will be as we approach the weekend. So Gator fans, I know you're already stressing about this. We're going to keep you updated. It's possible if this system stays to the south, this drier air would be pulled back southward and we could have lower rain chances this weekend. But it's also possible that this front approaching could pick it up and pull it to the north, giving us higher rain chances for the weekend. Either way, I think rain chances are going up at some point from Friday on, but depending on the track of that system, it will play a big role into when that happens. Here's your updated 6th day. We'll start with some partly cloudy skies. It'll be sunny and hot at lunchtime and dry in most areas. Only a slight chance for a stray shower about drive time. Rain chances still pretty low Thursday and Friday, and then depending on what happens in the tropics and that next front, rain chances could be going up for the weekend. Certainly check back in with us in the coming days.